Hello guys, welcome back. Okay, today we're gonna solve the daily questions, the Sunday question. Let me see. Okay. All right, let's check it out. Uh, Finding pairs with a certain sum. Let's say it's a medium question, so just think simple. Uh, you are given two integers arrays num1 and num2. Uh, two type operations add a positive integers to an element of a given index in the arrays in the array nums2. That means we could change the num2's element value. The second query is count the number of pairs suggests the sum of these two indices equal to given value. Okay. Of Alright. Alright. That means select one element from nums1 and element from nums2, and the sum is must equal to a given value. Let's check. So it's like find so add implement the add function, implement the count, and with the total return the number of pairs just the given total. Okay, understand. It's really easy to understand. Recurrence. 1000 nums one equals 1000, while nums two up to now 1,000,000, and this array that change quickly. It changed frequently because we got query one here. Alright, check it out. The nums two is only 5. Okay. Alright, for total for this. Alright, I understand. So with this one is make increase the nums to up to an long number at most 1000 core. So that means we could form a solution with on square so, time complexity. Alright, let's think about it. First of all, we need to solve the problem of calculate to sum, right? Uh, so you got an array like this, and you got another array. This is num1, this is num2, and with the value from this one. Let me use this. We got num1 I, and we need to plus an values nums2 j is equal to total. And you can see we got a nums1 length is 1000, so we can do a for loop on the nums1 and figure out num2's trace is like total minus num1 I. So on this on the element in nums2 that has the value of total minus nums1 I is count to the count to the answers. There's gonna be gonna fall on I in on h in nums1, then 5 total minus h in num2, and this cost you over length of nums1 is about 1000. It's about 1000, so it's really okay. And we got at most 1000 operation, so our solution gonna be 1000. Just that is acceptable, right? Is acceptable. But how do we find this fast? We just need to use a hash map to count it. All right, hash map. For the operation add, what we gonna do here? Actually we need to count in num2's. That is very simple. If you increase an element, for example, you got a, and you're gonna make it become a plus h. So a disappear one element, so it's -1 in the frequencies. We got frequency frequency array is -1 and this a is +1. The frequencies of a plus h increase 1 while we remove the a, so the frequencies of a -1. So alright, with using C++ here, we're gonna implement it. So first of all, we need to create a map, a map for space, space consumption, reduce the space consumption. Gonna use our map int frequency. Alright, and okay. First of all, we need to for h in num2 and it's like increase frequencies of this. And count is easy. It's for on element in nums1 and the totals answers, like return answers, and this is like answers plus frequencies of totals minus h as I described in the slide. Oh my god, it seems like there's some problem with my record. You can see as explained here, you need to for on the element in nums and count on the elements total minus x in num2. To do this, we use a map. You can use a map, a hash map here, and the total complexity is one follow. One follow is cost you length of nums1 for on the nums1 array, and the lookup, the average lookup time of an hash map is 01. Alright, and we got almost 1000 calls, 1000 queries, so it's gonna be this time complexity. This is acceptable. And for the operation 1, just need to add a positive integers to a number to a given index. We need to retrieve that index out and the value of SEA. So the frequency, we're gonna remove it and change this from a to a plus x with h is given in the query. So after that the a disappears, so we're gonna -1 in the frequencies of a, while we got a new number that's a plus h, so we're gonna increase the frequency of a plus s. Okay, as in line here. Alright, we need to retrieve the values of a index. I'm gonna minus frequencies of nums2. Oh my god, I need to store the nums over here. Gonna use like vectors. I need to use as a pointer. It's like status num2, something like that. Like this. Nums2 is like num2. This is I just don't know if it correct or not. Maybe I need to use this. I just sorry, but I don't remember the syntax. But index, alright, index, and num2's index gonna become range and gonna increase num2 index. Alright, got it. Check it out. Yes, there's a complex error. I gonna fix this. You can know this. Yeah, I knew it. Actually, it might be this or no. It's a pointer. Remember reference type. Which mod did you mean to use? Alright, that's right. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while. Can do this. So gonna do like this, right? No. Frequencies of num2 index. Oh, let's check the index. The index is 0 or 1. Oh, hey man, what happened to you? No variable overload operation. What do you mean by alright? What? Alright, so like we need to store the vectors is is correct. But just don't remember the syntax of this one. I just don't remember the syntax. A little bit struggle here. I need to copy this point and I want to store the pointer. You know. Okay. Okay, like this, and I gonna assign this address something, and guy. So the guy could just message with syntax here. Gotta be fine. Please end. And this one nums. We need to retrieve, you know, this power star. This, I hope is, you know. Yes. Please. This must be two. We need to store the nums one, two. You know. All right. Num one here. This nums one. If you use Python, it's more easier. Smart is but be easier if you use some high level language like Python. Okay, it's just set it on the test case and how it's gonna be. Alright. As you can see, I just passes easily. Okay, have a nice weekend.